Welcome students, staff, and families to our first virtual Student of the Month of the school year. For the month of September, we focused on what it means to be a communicator, and today we are here to celebrate our amazing communicator. Here is our principal, Miss Moore, to say a few words.
Thank you, Cole. This ceremony is a culmination of our Just Say Hello week. Students learn the importance of greetings and including others through communication. Each month here at Pineview, students will nominate classmates who exhibit the learner profile of the month. I'm very proud of our Students of the Month who will be receiving communicators today. I'm especially proud of those who are communicating with us virtually this year. Thank you very much.
Being a communicator means sharing your thoughts with other people, communicating how you feel, and listening to the thoughts and feelings of those around you. Our Students of the Month were selected by their classmates for demonstrating the learner profile of communicator because they expressed themselves clearly and confidently. They communicate in a variety of ways, and they listen to the views of others. Communicators use these skills to work collaboratively with others. Here's Ms. Greco to begin the presentation of awards.
Thanks, Tatum. As Ms. Moore and Tatum explained, it is a great honor to be selected as Student of the Month for Communicator. And just a reminder that these students were not chosen solely by the teacher. They were chosen by their peers. Their peers noticed the strong communication skills in all of these students. These students work really hard every day to be great communicators. That goes from being great listeners to being able to communicate their ideas and feelings effectively and efficiently. And it also includes how many of them not only speak English, but speak multiple languages. And a lot of them are working really hard to learn a second language. So we are so excited to have so many students represent our communicators here at Pineview. So in just a moment, we will celebrate all of our communicators. You will see a picture slideshow that will have all of their faces, whether they're at home learning or in the building with us. And this will be our way of honoring and celebrating all of our communicators. Remember, every month, we will showcase our Students of the Month in the same format. Next month, we will be looking to honor our students who were selected as Principled Students of the Month. So here's the big moment. We look forward to seeing all of these great communicators around our school, and we can't wait to see more celebrations for the rest of the year.
I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands out to the sky, we danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back. Whoa. soul. My soul. The stars were burning so bright, the sun was out till midnight. I say we lose control. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. Well, everything is looking up, everybody up now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the clouds. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I stretched my hands out to the sky, we danced with monsters through the night. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. I'm never gonna look back, whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. 2, 3, 4. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Thank you for watching and helping us celebrate our communicators.
We look forward to seeing you next month when we celebrate our principal patriots. Now here is our school song. We hope you'll sing along.